welcome back to another video. And in this one, we are going to discuss the shutting down of the Mirage in Las Vegas and it being replaced by the Hard Rock. I have some information that I've collected and researched, just some basic stuff that I'm going to be going over that I think you might find interesting, just some quick stuff. But exciting times are ahead, let me just say that. But I do have mixed feelings about this. But at the end of the day, Las Vegas is a very exciting place no matter what. And for me, anticipating new attractions and new properties is part of the excitement. This is kind of in line with that, you know, we've had the Mirage, a spectacular resort for so many years. And even though I have mixed feelings and I'm sad to see it go, I'm also excited because Vegas is a city that thrives on reinvention and surprises. And I'm looking forward to the new Hard Rock, the casino resort that is going to take the Mirage's place in Las Vegas in a couple of years when it's finally built and the grand opening occurs. Basically, the new resort, which is going to be called the Hard Rock Hotel Casino and Guitar Hotel Las Vegas. That's right, that's what the name is so far. The new resort will feature a 700-foot guitar-shaped hotel located in the heart of the Las Vegas Strip, right exactly where the Mirage is located. The construction and transformation will take a couple of years, like I said, and they are targeting a grand opening date of the Hard Rock Resort of around the spring of 2027, and right now it's the spring of 2024. So it's about 3 years or so that they're estimating for the completion and grand reopening of this amazing new location that is going to be rebranded and transformed as the Hard Rock. So this new resort is going to also be expanded massively. So it's going to add hundreds of additional hotel rooms. And from what I researched, they are also looking to expand the casino gaming floor by approximately 50% or more. That's a lot, and that's to accommodate way more slot machines and table games than what they had before. So this is going to be great. Even though I don't gamble that much, it's still nice. I like to go to the casino floors myself at night and be in the excitement and maybe have a drink or two and walk around. I think that is going to be awesome. And if you are a gamer, you're going to love this brand new resort with the massive space that is going to accommodate all this extra gaming, entertainment, and slot machines and table games. It's going to be amazing for gamblers and non-gamblers alike. Regarding the pool, expect a brand new redesigned pool area. I don't have any pictures or any kind of blueprints on that, but they are going to include cabanas, lounges that is going to be brand new and designed around just people having fun in the sun activities. So that's always a good thing. Vegas in the summer barely rains, and having a nice pool area brand new is going to be great. And I think the Hard Rock is going to do a great job with the pool area in this new resort. And then as far as dining, I'm sure there's going to be a variety of new restaurants and bars. I don't have any official names yet for the restaurants, but there's going to be new restaurants, bars, possibly cafes, and maybe lounges that will appeal to a wide variety of tastes. So expect anything from gourmet cuisine to casual bites. It's going to be something that is going to meet the needs of a lot of people in terms of their subjective taste preferences, but it's going to be that Vegas atmosphere, the Hard Rock way of doing things, which I think is going to be really nice because I like the way they transformed the old previous Taj Mahal casino in Atlantic City into the Hard Rock. So I think this is probably going to be a good sign that they're going to do another great job in Las Vegas, maybe even a lot better, because they have a lot more to work with in Vegas and the budget is a lot bigger. And for the entertainment, they of course are going to revamp the entire property, and they're going to feature the live music venues. It's a guitar-shaped hotel, so you know they are going to do a fantastic job with the music venue, live music venues, not just for concerts, comedy shows, magic shows, performances of all types. And I'm sure they're going to have a really nice nightclub and even some surprises up its sleeve. I think they're going to bring something to the table towards maybe not now, but later on they're going to reveal something that is going to surprise a lot of people, or at least make a lot of people really, really happy about this new resort and what it's going to bring to the Las Vegas new casino resort scene, which is going to be awesome. As far as entertainment, you know that the Hard Rock, with its guitar-shaped hotel and music and entertainment theming, is definitely going to bring a really nice music venue, maybe more than one. So you're going to be able to see concerts, magic shows, all different kind of performances in a state-of-the-art brand new music venue in the Hard Rock in Las Vegas. That's going to be great. Can't wait to see what they bring regarding the live music venues. Of course, they're probably going to have a nice nightclub and lounges and perhaps even some surprises up its sleeve. The Hard Rock might reveal something, you never know, at the last minute or close to their opening that a lot of people were not expecting, and hopefully we'll be pleasantly surprised with something new that maybe they don't reveal in advance. So I'm looking forward to whatever they have to offer. So exciting times ahead for sure. So just keep on the lookout for what's next in Vegas, because the next thing that comes to Vegas might be the highlight of your next Vegas adventure. And as far as your current trip to Las Vegas, you know, you can still visit the Mirage, but don't forget it will be closing in July, mid-July. July 17th is the date that I saw published on the website for the Mirage. So definitely get your plans fully completed by that time. I'm sure they're going to have policies in place to help people if they have reservations that they previously made that extend beyond that date. They're gonna do stuff to make you whole, or cancel certain dates, or refund certain things if you've already prepaid things that go beyond the closing date. But if you're going to the Mirage, don't forget that July 17th date. Who knows, there might be facilities within the Mirage that might be closing before that date. So prior to that date, you might want to complete everything that you have to do regarding the Mirage. But definitely go take a look at it one last time if you're in Las Vegas in the beginning of the summer, because after mid-July, it is shutting down and it will not reopen again until a couple of years. And when it will be the brand new Hard Rock. My final thoughts on this is that even though I'm sad that the Mirage is shutting down after all these years, I'm also excited and looking forward to the new Hard Rock and what it has to offer when it opens up in the spring of 2027. And just one last general statement about Las Vegas: even if you are not a big gambler or a big party person per se, or a big drinker, you can still have a lot of fun there. Vegas is not just for gamblers. You can enjoy a lot of exploration, a lot of walking around. There's a lot to see and do. Those casinos are huge. They're fun to look at. They're architectural marvels. They're just really nice, a change of pace from your everyday life. It's cool to walk around the casinos at night or the daytime. And even if it's hot in the summer, don't worry, you're gonna get great AC blasting in all the casino and indoor spaces in Las Vegas. So don't worry about that. It's a great place to go to just enjoy yourself and kind of separate and detach from the reality of the everyday grind. Vegas is awesome for that, and you don't really have to gamble at all. I rarely gamble and have still a lot of fun in Vegas when I go. And don't forget the multitude of dining options that are available. If you like to eat, if you like to sample different types of foods in different atmospheres, there's all type of restaurants in Vegas to suit your preferences and your mood. And as a reminder, don't forget that Vegas has professional sports teams and is one of the entertainment capitals of the world as far as performances, shows of any kind. There's always something to see and do in Las Vegas, so don't overlook it for your next vacation adventure. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.